This week in Quick Tip Tuesday, I want to talk about how you get rid of superglue fog and scratches. Here we have a really bad case of superglue fog, as you can see. Of course, we did it on purpose and had like a big spot in the middle. Now, how we can get rid of that? Well, just the fog, you just take a little bit of corn oil or baby oil or something like this, and you can get rid of the fog. That works very well. So if you have just super glue on the side, not in the middle of the glass, you just get rid of that white fog with some oil. But in this case we have glue all over the glass. Now what you can do against scratches or that kind of stuff, you take some sanding paper. In this case we took 400 grit and start sanding out that scratch or that super glue. So after 400 grit we took 1200 grit and get even finer scratches out with that next grit. The next, you guessed it, we went like one grit finer. We took like 2000 and we getting rid of those scratches. Now you can go up to 12,000 if you want to. Here for this purpose we skipped all those higher grits and we went right away to our next step, and that is we're gonna use some polish. This is no special polish, it's just for automotive paints which are long in the sun or something like this, so I use nothing special. And now we get rid of those 2000 scratches with that polish. And the last step is I use some wax. It's the same brand. You can use whatever. It's automotive hard wax, which fills up even those last smooth little scratches. Like I said in the beginning, you can do going up with higher grades and then you get even a better result than I did here, just for demonstration purpose. But as you can see, even like within those 10 minutes that I used, you have a really nice result if you think how we started out in the beginning. But this was the tip of this week.